Hello, welcome back to the channel, where we guide you through all things productivity. Today, we're diving into how to create a Notion task board for Agile teams, your essential guide for 2025. Now, the first thing we need to do is create a new page on Notion. You can do this by clicking on the New Page button on the left sidebar. This is where your task board will live. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for your team's tasks and projects, keeping everything organized and in one place. Next up, we're going to add a board view to our new page. Click on the Add a View button at the top of your page and select Board. This helps us because it allows us to visually organize and track the progress of our tasks. In an Agile environment, this is key for maintaining fluidity and adaptability. Now that we've done that, let's create our columns. These typically represent the stages of a task, such as to do, in progress, and done. You can add a new column by clicking on the Add a Group button on the right side of your board. This is crucial because it allows us to see at a glance where any given task is in its life cycle. Now that we have our columns, it's time to add our tasks. Click on the New button in the To Do column, write a brief description of the task, and assign it to a team member. Each task card also offers options to add details like due dates, checklists, and tags. This is where the magic happens, as these task cards are the building blocks of your Agile workflow. The final touch is to customize your board to suit your team's needs. You can add filters to show only certain tasks, sort tasks by priority, or add labels for different types of work. This is important because customization makes your board a true reflection of your team's workflow, helping everyone stay on the same page. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a Notion task board that will enhance your team's Agile workflow. Remember, the beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility. Feel free to tweak and adjust as your project evolves. Thank you for tuning in, and happy task tracking.